Well, hello class. I collected some note cards before we got started here. I just wanted to get to know all of y'all. I asked for some basic personal information, major, etc. So it looks like in class we have about 2 geology majors, 8 engineering majors, 20 bio majors, 25 pre-meds, and a single chemistry major. So I look forward to getting to know you all, and let's have a really great general chemistry class. Now, welcome to your first day of General Chemistry Lab. We're going to be working with some acidic materials today, so lab safety is of the utmost importance. Now, your homework was to watch that hour-and-a-half long lab safety training video so you can be sure you have all the lab safety knowledge you can. And you know what? Just to be extra safe, now that we're in class, we're actually going to watch that lab safety training video again, and we'll save the lab for the second part of class, so make sure to take notes. Of course, there will be a quiz on this lab safety training video afterwards, and then, once we're there, then we can go start working with our 0.0001 molar acetic acid in lab today. Okay class, now that we've learned about all our molarity and unit conversions and everything, we're actually going to move on to our next unit of unit conversions. Do we do anything other than unit conversions in this class? I'm going to be honest with you, not really. Professor, could you explain that one problem on the board? I thought because of the rule we went over last class, shouldn't that reaction be totally impossible? Well, Zal, if you were paying attention, you would remember that rule number 1 of OChem is that every rule has 36 exceptions. Okay, but how am I supposed to know that you never listed any of these exceptions in the notes? Am I supposed to just magically understand it? Well, exactly. I'm trying to build your chemical intuition so you can look at a problem like this and understand it innately and not ask stupid questions about why something happens. So, anyway, why does that reaction work? For this problem, resonance, yeah. Well, class, welcome to my MCAT preparatory course. I'm really glad to see you all here. Oh, sorry, Professor. I think I'm in the wrong class. I thought this was biochemistry. Oh, no. You're in the right place. Are you not a pre-med? No. This is a chem requirement. Okay, today we're going to learn about point groups. So I'm going to need you all to take out your model kits. Now, model kits are really important for learning about point groups. Once you have those out, I'm going to have you build the model that I've written up on the board. Professor, I finished my model. Oh, excellent. Well, I'm going to need you to take that model and start slamming it against your head. Eventually, you'll just understand point groups. Isn't there a better way to learn this? I mean, I could lecture for a bit, but I'll be honest, it probably won't be helpful for your understanding of group theory. Honestly, I'm just here for the research. Welcome to your first day of physical chemistry. Now, before me, I see a bunch of whiny, little, weak students. By the end of this class, you will all be battle-hardened warriors. I remember when I was in undergrad, and I took P-Chem, and I got a 21 on my exam. I see you all snickering there in your little seats. Well, 21% was the highest grade in the class. A lot better than you all will ever do. Professor, doesn't that just mean you're making your exams too hard? This is how my professor did it, and this is how the professor before him did it. If you don't suffer in P-Chem, you literally can't graduate in chemistry. It's an actual graduation requirement that I make you suffer in this class.